Frozen, a day in the sun. Hi, my name is Olaf. I'm a snowman, but I've always dreamed about summer. The blue skies and white clouds, buzzing bees and dandelions. A day in the sun would be so amazing. At the beach, I could really work on my snowman tent. Ahoy! I could go sailing. Ah, what a lovely breeze. There's nothing more relaxing than a nice swim. All my cares would just melt away. Summertime is also perfect for meeting new friends. Winter is fine for penguins and ice. But a tap dancing seagull is twice as nice. Summer is so full of surprises. I can't wait for my dream to come true. And then I can play with someone like you. Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.